i35equipment.com. This is Kobelco SK210LC hydraulic track excavator. So a local consignment came in straight off the farm. What can you come look at her for yourself? Just give us a call, schedule an appointment. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. For direct calling quote, we do send equipment all over the country. Getting it to you should not be too big an issue. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. Do welcome you to come pick it up for yourself or arrange for your own hauling if you like. Our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, just give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. That is a CP bucket, nice big bucket. I think it was 1.3 cubic yard capacity. Undercarriage looks good. We're gonna start it up here in a minute. Check out the motor. Go ahead and zoom out to that fisheye lens, give a good view of the interior here. Here is the hour meter, so if you can see that. Alright, hop up here and get it started. Okay, they've changed out the digital the electronic throttle control with a manual one. We've got it pulled out, ready to start. Just gonna turn the key to the on position here. Ready? Push button start. Pull up out, check out that motor. Is utilizing the Mitsubishi diesel